Hello fellow modelers. Today we're going to be looking at the wing framework, integrating the wing framework into the model, and covering the wing framework. Essentially, all things wings. Let's begin. The necessary evil of creating a firm and sturdy wing is creating a really decent framework. And GPM has this really covered. As I have said before in my other builds, framework joining, always use super glue or cryolite glue. This ensures that everything stays aligned, nothing shifts, and everything goes together quickly. It's been really pleasant hearing from many of you through direct message or in the comments. Let me know in the future what you would like to see built or how I could improve what I'm presenting to you. After all, we learn from each other and we're in this thing together. Thanks for all the encouragement I've had, and if you have not already subscribed, please consider doing so or even hit that like button so I can just do so much more, and the YouTube algorithm will help with making this far more accessible to so much more people. Nice. Now that we have gotten the framework pretty much set, we just simply repeat the process with the other wing. When joining the wing framework to the main panel, I use regular glue to give me time to adjust the pitch, the dihedral, and to ensure proper alignment. Okay, looking good. Time to set aside and let's deal with the main wing panels. I may not show this in all my builds, but painting the edges of the cardstock really helps add to the realism and looks of your model. What bothered me in my early building years was the wing twisting or warping or had hills and gullies. I learned to counter this by adding my own reinforcement of the wing panels. Basically, it's just another sheet of cardstock added to the underside of the panel to help give it some stiffness, as well as help with the alignment of the different panels when joining. I always roll out the inside or the underside of where panels are joined to help give that smooth transition between the panels. Now that we have completed one wing panel section, we now move on to the other wing. Remember, when joining panels, it's a one-man operation and it's no competition, so take your time to get it properly aligned and move on. So pretty much that's it for the left side. Now we repeat the same process on the right side and we will have our wing integrated to the fuselage fully. Now it will be time to do the engines. So until then, my friend, take care, live well, and as usual, one love.